Pollution in Uganda is becoming a silent but deadly threat to public health, especially in urban areas. Experts warn that while many Ugandans may not clearly see the dangers, the risks are real and growing. According to NEMA and the Global Alliance on Health and Pollution, cities like Kampala are most affected due to heavy traffic, factories and poor waste management practices.
Mainly, you look at Central, all the business areas. Why? Most of our works are embedded there. Central, because most of the industries are embedded here, most of the operations are embedded here. One reason the country put up an initiative of ensuring cars that are beyond 10 years of manufacturing are not imported into the country because of the exhaust emissions. So most affected places are mainly the cities.
During an inception meeting at Hotel Africana, NEMA officials stressed that pollution is not only a government issue but a collective responsibility.
We have what we call the waste management regulation. And in that waste management regulation, there is a sector that says whoever generates is accountable. So what does it mean? Even before you think of littering, even before you think of ensuring that you're not concerned, you who generates any kind of pollutant, including, no matter the pollutant is, whether a plastic bottle, whether any kind of emission, you are held liable. Yes, the challenge is still there.
To strengthen the fight, NEMA is working with GAHP and other government bodies under a new health and pollution action plan. This framework seeks to coordinate government agencies, industries and communities in tackling pollution more effectively.
We are here to brainstorm on how can we come up with synergetic interventions as different stakeholders. The stakeholders we're having here from mainline ministries, environmental agencies, private sector, civil society. We are here as a team to bring them together to deliberate what can be done to ensure pollution is addressed and the impact it has on health. And these interventions should be worked on jointly.
Then we will have already prioritized the pollution issues. We will create a working group that will work on the technical matters related to pollution and then draft the action plan.
Maria Paola, Executive Director of GAHP, noted that research identified Uganda as one of the African countries most affected by pollution, a finding that prompted their intervention and partnership with government.
So unfortunately, we know that Uganda is also heavily affected by different types of pollution. And this is why we have been very lucky to find strong political commitment and will. And we were able to partner with your environmental authority, NEMA, since 2023 to address different pollution sources like lead. But here today we are in Kampala to launch the Health and Pollution Action Plan. This is a process convened by GAP, but really owned by your country.
Nobere James Bond, Acting Deputy Director for Environment and Sanitation at KCCA, stressed that fighting pollution in Uganda requires cooperation.
These countries or neighbors who have attained the smart cities, it is because of the patriotism of the dwellers, the city dwellers. So I am calling upon the Kampala city dwellers, please, let's be patriotic.